Hi all, say you have an image where you want to add a bokeh effect, or an image where you already have a bokeh effect and you want to add maybe some more textural interest to it. To do this, open your image in Photoshop and then go to Google Images and search for bokeh. Find an image that is essentially shiny lights on a black background, download that to your computer, and just drag that image on top of the one you already have in Photoshop. Over here in the Layers panel, choose the option Screen, which will remove all of the blacks and make them transparent. Then take the eraser tool, and to start out, make the brush pretty big and the hardness pretty much all the way, and start erasing off of your image. Now, Photoshop will tell you this object has to be rasterized. That's fine. We are going to erase the bokeh off of the subject. And when I get to the edges, I'll go up here to the eraser tool and make this smaller and the hardness much softer. And I'll clean up those edges in a way that doesn't create such harsh lines on the image. Now I have a layer where I've already done this so you can see it. This is what the finished project looks like. And this is adding bokeh or more interesting bokeh to an image in Photoshop.